Welcome to Agoracom Small Cap Breaking News.
Your daily go-to source for the best small cap headlines for over 65 million investors since 2007.
We're coming to you live with breaking news from the small cap arena.
Buckle up, folks.
4 companies have just dropped their latest financial and operational results.
And let me tell you,
The headlines are grabbing attention.
big time.
You need to know about these developments.
Let's jump right in.
First on our radar,
Drumroll, please.
CanadaBis Capital Inc.
Trading on the TSX venture under the symbol.
CANN.
That's right.
The headline just crossed.
Hot off the press.
CanadaBis Capital posts $9 million in quarterly revenue as it sharpens focus on efficiency and growth.
$9 million in gross revenue.
For their second fiscal quarter of 2025.
Talk about impressive.
A substantial $2 million increase compared to last year.
That's the key takeaway right there.
That's huge.
Absolutely.
Digging deeper into that headline.
Beyond the surface.
It's not just about the top-line growth.
You got,
CanadaBis is also reporting positive adjusted EBITDA.
which stands at.
$434,158.
And hold on.
And net income of $96,000.
In the often volatile cannabis sector,
Oh, yeah, Volatile's right.
these bottom-line improvements
Alongside revenue growth,
are what investors look for.
as signs of a sustainable business model.
Precisely.
The headline itself points to their strategic focus,
On efficiency in this challenging market
which is crucial,
for long-term success.
absolutely essential.
All right, next up we have Digi Power X, Inc.
Trading on the TSXV venture under DGXX.
And on the Nasdaq under.
DGXX.
That's right.
This one's a mouthful.
The breaking headline.
And this?
Digi Power X posts record 2024 financial results, signal strategic shift toward AI-powered infrastructure.
Record results are right.
$37.0 million in revenue.
For 2024.
A significant 42% jump year over year.
That's a powerful number.
It really is.
But wait, there's more?
What's particularly compelling
For investors here is the dramatic turnaround.
in their profitability.
Digi Power X has reported an EBITDA swing
From a $6.9 million loss in 2023.
to an $8.8 million gain in 2024,
That kind of bottom line improvement
coupled with the 42% revenue surge
signals a fundamental shift.
in their financial performance.
No doubt about it.
The headline also highlights their strategic move
A bold move,
towards AI-powered infrastructure
indicating a forward-looking approach.
to capitalize on.
Emerging demand.
That's right. All right, turning our attention now to
The exciting world of crypto.
WonderFi Technologies, Inc.,
Listed on the TSX under
WNDR,
and the OTCQB
and
under.
NDF.
Here we go.
The headline grabbing attention.
Note under your hats, folks.
WonderFi reports record 2024 results, cements leadership in Canada's crypto market.
Record revenue and interest income.
For the full year 2024,
Hitting a whopping,
$62.1 million,
a massive
108% increase.
compared to the previous year.
That's explosive growth in a dynamic sector.
It sure is.
Investors will be particularly interested in WonderFi's adjusted EBITDA.
Which has surged to
It's $12 million.
a significant leap from
The $4.8 million loss in 2023
this 345% increase in adjusted EBITDA
demonstrates a strong move
towards profitability.
as they solidify their position in Canada's rapidly evolving crypto market.
And the headline clearly points to,
Their strengthening market leadership.
alongside these impressive financial results.
Finally,
Last but not least,
we have Cannabis Corp.
trading on the CSE under IMCC.
And on the Nasdaq, also under.
IMCC.
That's right.
Keeping it simple.
The breaking news headline.
Straight from the source.
Cannabis delivers breakthrough year with revenue growth and operational turnaround.
Their fourth quarter results for 2024.
Show a notable 25% year-over-year revenue increase.
That's a strong finish to the year.
They really kicked it into gear,
What makes this a breakthrough year
as the headline suggests.
is not just the revenue growth,
Right.
but the significant operational improvements.
Cannabis has managed to slash their operating expenses
By a whopping 42%
and has reported a positive adjusted EBITDA.
of $0.5 million in the fourth quarter.
This shift to profitability,
Combined with their strategic expansion into the German market,
as mentioned in the headline,
are key indicators of a successful turnaround.
for investors to consider.
Absolutely.
So there you have it.
4 small-cap companies.
making significant waves with their latest financial and operational results.
Waves indeed.
Our mission in this deep dive
Is to go beyond the headline.
and understand the compelling financial and operational results.
Driving these small-cap companies.
Let's start by unpacking what's driving CanadaBis Capital's numbers.
All right, so focusing on CanadaBis Capital.
Trading on the TSX venture under the symbol CNN,
That $9 million in Q2 revenue
representing a $2 million year-over-year increase.
immediately signals a company that is successfully expanding its market presence
Despite the well-known challenges,
within the Canadian cannabis landscape.
what's particularly noteworthy for investors?
Is that this revenue growth is coupled with.
Positive adjusted EBITDA and net income,
This demonstrates an ability to not only generate sales
but also to manage costs effectively,
and achieve profitability.
which is a significant differentiator in this
The
sector,
major advantage.
as CEO Travis McIntyre stated.
We're extremely proud of these results. The $2 million revenue jump year over year is the result of strategic initiatives we've implemented to strengthen our position in the market. Our focus remains on driving shareholder value through continued growth and operational excellence.
That quote really highlights their strategic intent.
Behind these results,
Moving on to Digi Power X Inc.
trading on the TSX venture under DGX and on the Nasdaq under DGXX,
The headline screamed, "Record 2024 financial results."
and the $37.0 million in revenue.
Backs that up with a strong 42% year-over-year increase.
But perhaps even more compelling for investors,
Is that massive EBITDA turnaround?
to an $8.8 million gain.
What does this swing indicate about their business?
That EBITDA turnaround is a powerful indicator.
Of improved operational efficiency and profitability.
It suggests that their strategic pivot
As mentioned in the headline,
signals strategic shift toward AI-powered infrastructure.
is gaining significant traction.
The explosive 829% year-over-year growth in their colocation revenue to $15.79 million.
Is a direct result of this shift.
And clearly demonstrates strong market demand for their new focus.
As Chairman and CEO Michelle Omar put it,
We believe our ability to pivot toward high-margin, recurring colocation revenues while leveraging our low-cost energy access and robust infrastructure will help position the company to be a rising leader in energy-backed digital infrastructure.
that focus on high-margin recurring revenue streams.
Is precisely what investors look for.
In a growth story,
Absolutely.
Wonderfy Technologies, Inc.
Listed on the TSX under DIGUNDR and the OTCQB under 1DF.
announced record 2024 results
Hitting $62.1 million in revenue and interest income.
with a 108% jump.
But the headline also emphasizes their strengthened position.
Cements leadership in Canada's crypto market.
Beyond the impressive revenue growth,
What financial metrics should investors zero in on?
the adjusted EBITDA of $12 million
A substantial increase from the previous year's loss.
is a key metric for Wonderfy.
It shows that their strategic acquisitions and organic growth are translating into
Of significant improvements in profitability.
this, alongside the 109% year-over-year increase in client assets under custody,
To over $2.1 billion.
signals strong user adoption.
And increasing market confidence in their platform.
CEO Dean Skirka's quote,
Over the past 2 years, we have achieved tremendous growth, scaling our platform, increasing trading volumes, and expanding our assets under custody, all while continuing to provide Canadians with a trusted and secure way to access crypto assets.
underscores their focus on building a leading and trusted crypto ecosystem.
A solid foundation for future growth.
Finally, Cannabis Corp.
Trading on the CSE under IMCC and on the Nasdaq under IMCC.
Delivered what they called a breakthrough year.
Highlighted by a 25% year-over-year revenue growth in Q4 2024.
But the headline also mentions an operational turnaround.
What financial results point to this improvement?
The most compelling financial indicators of this operational turnaround
Are the 42% reduction in operating expenses and the positive adjusted EBITDA.
of $0.5 million in Q4 2024,
These figures demonstrate
a significant improvement in their cost management.
and a return to profitability.
The impressive 183% year-over-year revenue growth in their German operations to $15.5 million for the full year,
Is also a crucial factor.
indicating successful expansion into a key international market.
As CEO Oren Schister stated,
While I am very proud of the 183% growth IMC delivered in Germany, I am delighted with the progress we made internally, both strategically and operationally. We are starting to see the initial impact of the savings we initiated in 2024 through active cost management and full integration.
This combination of revenue growth in a strategic market and a focus on cost efficiency
Is what signals a true turnaround for investors.
it's a promising sign.
So to recap these breaking headlines and the compelling financial results driving them,
Let's do a quick rundown.
Canada's capital,
Trading on the TSX venture under the symbol CNN.
with a $2 million year-over-year revenue increase and positive EBITDA.
Signaling efficiency in a tough market.
Digi Power X, Inc.
Trading on the TSX venture under DGX and on the Nasdaq under DGXX.
With record revenue and a dramatic EBITDA turnaround as they pivot to AI infrastructure.
a bold move paying off.
WonderFi Technologies, Inc.
Listed on the TSX under WNDR and the OTCQB under 1DF.
Reporting massive revenue growth and a significant jump in adjusted EBITDA.
Solidifying their crypto market leadership.
I am Cannabis Corp.
Trading on the CSE under IMCC and on the Nasdaq under IMTC.
Delivering revenue growth and a return to positive adjusted EBITDA through strategic restructuring and international expansion.
A remarkable turnaround story.
These small-cap companies
Each operating in dynamic and evolving sectors.
are clearly demonstrating significant progress.
No doubt about it.
What do these headline-grabbing results and underlying financial achievements suggest about the future trajectory?
Of the cannabis industry in Canada.
The burgeoning demand for AI infrastructure?
The continued evolution of crypto finance.
And the growth potential within global medical cannabis markets?
Are these just quarterly blips?
Or are they the early signals of sustained growth and market leadership?
Those are the critical questions
For you, the investor,
to consider.
these headlines and financial results provide a starting point.
But a thorough understanding of each company's long-term strategy
Competitive landscape
and potential risks is essential.
before making any investment decisions.
Do your due diligence.
Follow Agoyacom for more breaking small-cap news and insights into tomorrow's leaders today.
Don't miss out.
Don't miss our podcast. Insert podcast link.